Hello ladies, in this video I want to share with you how to add links to your WordPress form. So I'm going to use the IOU Quick Start Enrollment application form as an example to refer to during this lesson. So the first thing I want to show you is this first block in this IOU enrollment application form. This is a content block, so it only gives information. And you'll see there's a lot of links here. And these links are quite easy to create when you are creating a new form. So let me show you first in a content block. So here I'm working on a new test form. So I'm going to add the content block like in the enrollment form. So if you click on it, it will open an editor, much like the ones we use with Beaver Builder. So it's quite easy if you want to add any links here. So I'm just going to expand this. Now I'm just going to give it a title for example, let's say, welcome to Forum IOU. And then you can edit your text here by aligning it to the center. You can also maybe change the color here. And now I want to add some text with a link to the enrollment form. To get started, I'm going to leave it like that. Please enroll in Forum IOU. Here is the enrollment form. So I'm just going to link enrollment form. So I'm just going to go to this page. I'm going to grab the link and I'm going to insert a link. And then you're just going to go to target because I want to open it to a new window. And then I'm just going to say, okay. I'm going to update the preview and collapse the editor. So there's your content block as information about your form. Now I'm going to go back to fields, and now I want to add a multiple choice. And I'm going to just say here, do you or something. Have you already enrolled in Forum IOU? And then I'm going to say yes or no. And I'm going to leave the third one because there is no other option. Now I want to add information about it in the description and also the link to the enrollment form. But the problem is in your description, it's not like a text editor where you can add a link. So you have to use coding to add a link. So I'm just going to first add my text to enroll in Forum IOU. please um, complete the enrollment form. Okay, so now I have to add my link. So I've added the coding that you will use in a document, but I will add it underneath the video in the post so you can use it for future reference. So I've added it to this document. So you have two codings that you can use. The first one, as you can see, it's for a link opening in the same tab. And the second one is for a link opening in a new tab. So I just have to take the same out, sorry. So I want it to open in a new tab. So I'm going to just copy that whole piece of coding there, copy it. Now I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to paste it there. So you'll see where I've added the word link in the red. That's where I'm going to add my link. And here where it is says link name in red is where I'm going to add the name of the link. So I'm going to go back here. And now I'm first going to replace the word link. So I'm going to grab my link, go back here, and now I'm just going to select the word link without doing anything to the quotes or anything else. So I'm just going to paste it there. So you'll see it already added the link there with link name. But now I want to change the link name. So I'm going to take enrollment form here. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to cut it. Just want to remove that point as well. And I'm just going to select this and paste. So now you'll see there in your field, there's your link. It's blue and underlined. So I'm just going to, let's say required, and I'm just going to save it. And now I'm going to open a preview to test it. I'm just going to scroll down. This part is just while you are in the preview mode. So we are going to have a look from here. So there's our welcome to Orem IOU. And then the first link we added. So I'm just going to click on it. And it opened in a new tab. And it opened the form. Now I'm going to go to the second one we've added. And it opened in a new tab. Now if I go back to my form, I'm going to close this one. I can also add links to my options here. So next to the yes or no, I can say something like, no, I would like more information. Now you can also add the information to a link or link it to, for example, the how to get started. Okay, so again, I'm going to copy my coding, and this time we're not going to open it in a new tab. So I'm just going to select this coding here, and then I'm just going to paste it over the information. So there you'll see it's already in blue, but nothing has been added yet. So I'm going to grab the how to get started link, go back, and now I'm just going to replace link here. And then I'm going to change link name to information. So there's your link. So now, once again, you're first going to save it. Then you're going to go to preview. So I want to see if it opens up correctly and if it opens in the same tab. And it's correct. So now I can just close it. And that is how you add links to your WordPress form using coding. I will add these coding for you underneath the video in the post.